What's up guys, Super Geek here. Today we're unboxing this keyboard and mouse combo from Consistent. It's called Glory. It's a wireless keyboard and mouse combo, and the best feature about this one is that both keyboard and mouse uses a single USB receiver to connect it with your computer. So let's check out the specifications and features first, then we'll unbox it. So as you can see here, these are the specifications for keyboard and mouse. The keyboard got 104 keys. It's wireless. It's made with ABS plastic and metal. It's about 571 grams and it uses one AA battery. Now for the mouse, it uses wireless connection and it has wireless range of about 10 meters. It uses two AAA batteries and it comes with switchable DPI from 800 to 1600. It comes with 6 buttons, that means 3 extra buttons. Now for the features, it uses 2.4 GHz wireless connection. The keys are tested for up to 10 million clicks. It's plug and play, so no driver needed. Mouse uses 1200 dpi optical sensor. It comes with auto sleep function to save the battery, and it comes with storage groove design that I'm going to show you once I unbox it. So let's unbox it. So here is the keyboard, and here is the mouse. Now let's get the box out of the way. First, let's talk about the keyboard. So as you can see, the keyboard is white and it looks fantastic in this white color. It's a low profile keyboard, as you can see here, and it's pretty sturdy. Despite being this thin, it's very sturdy. At the back, you get these rubber feet to keep the keyboard steady on the working desk. Here is the battery door. It needs one AA battery. And here is the power switch to turn it on and off. So as you can see, it's a full-size keyboard with 104 keys. It got the numpad right here. On the function keys, it got these shortcuts which are really useful for Windows, and you can use these shortcuts using the function key right here. Another really cool feature about this keyboard is this groove right here. It's basically a stand for your smartphone or your tablet, and if you want, you can put your phone in landscape mode. Connect the receiver to the smartphone using a Type A dongle, and you can use this keyboard and mouse with your smartphone. That's pretty neat. Now let's move on to the mouse. So here is the mouse. So as you can see, it uses the same finish and color as the keyboard. Looks pretty good. It looks almost like a gaming mouse. See, it got extra keys right here. This is the DPI key, I guess. The scroll wheel is rubberized for extra grip, and it has this chrome ring going around. That looks pretty good as well. You can listen to the clicks. It's pretty lightweight and the build quality is also very decent. You get the thumb rest right here. At the back, you get this power switch, your optical sensor. This is the battery door. It needs a 2 AAA battery, and this is the receiver. It's stored up pretty nicely in this part right here under the battery door. So that's pretty much it about the mouse as well. Now I'm going to connect it to my laptop to show you how the setup will look like with this keyboard and mouse combo. So I have the keyboard and mouse connected with my laptop, and both of these works really good. So this keyboard and mouse combo from Consistent is priced at around 800 rupees, and it's available through online and offline stores. If you want to check it out, there's a link in the description. And thanks for watching guys, hope you like it. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.